G'day viewers, I tested these batteries. The second set is the first 4 I've recharged. Almost 3 amp hour capacity in those. Brilliant. They date back to 2012, this pack, so they're in pretty good condition. Get his Bluetooth speaker recharge. I haven't recharged it in a while. Starting to trip out now, so yeah, due for a charge. So 2,810 milliamp hour, 2,714, 2,692, 2,785. So far 2,699, 2,832, 2,766, 2,704. Been on for almost 7 hours. They're down to 56 milliamps. And they started at 500 milliamps, so they're nearly finished charging. That is very good. These batteries are the best, probably the best scores yet actually. In very good condition, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to get batteries, this is a pretty popular repair shop, so they do get laptops in frequently, so some to do battery replacements, so they're going to request the customers and stuff. If they don't want the batteries, they'll keep them for me, which is good. And the discharger for these batteries, well, the other one's charging the other batteries. So I'm thinking about buying some Panasonic Eneloop Pro, the top of the range Eneloop batteries. The reviews on those are very good, so for AA's I'm going to stick to Eneloops. These are pretty good, you can buy domestically. These are Japanese Duracells. These are pretty good, but the Eneloops are the best, the longest life, so I'm going to get a set of those and made up a little 12 volt battery pack out of these. I can just plug it into things like amps, and Bluetooth receivers and whatnot, and have a portable 12 volt power source. Brilliant. Here's a little adapter I made. Got this from the local Jaycar shop. So made it all up. That's my 12 volt supply. I test this and run this wirelessly, the amps. I did like to chip out and distort though, but batteries that aren't completely fresh, but oh well. I'm going to replace these wires. This works good, but these little wires here are so cheap. It's not giving me much high notes. It's acting like a crossover and tweeter setup. I've got plenty of bass, but no voice or high notes. Quite weird how those wires react like that. It's not the right wiring. It's just any old random wiring I picked out of my scrap bin, so I'm going to redo those wires. Not yet though. But this is perfect for making this thing portable. I can bring this with me and have a little 12 volt power supply and test random things I come across. And I could take 4 batteries out and put a jumper across this point and this point, and have a 6 volt one to test 6 volt devices. Happy with that. Quite handy, very handy actually. Give these lights a bit of a charge. Haven't used them in a while. I've repaired this one. I want to save up for a 3D printer. I might 3D print a new terminal box for this, but I have got a metal one I would like to use, but I'm not sure if the shape's right. It's a brushed aluminium one from my Jaycar. I never used it as part of my ignition coil kit. If I can fit it on there and put this on that, it'd be perfect. I'm not sure it's going to fit, so I just did it like this for now. There's 8 2.5 amp hour capacity double A's in there, so if they go bad I can just chuck some Panasonic Eneloops in it and make this thing really reliable. I'm going to get some perspex for this. So they're just a glass. There's a local shop which you can request them. You take the glass out of this, take the glass in, and they can cut the same thing out of perspex. A local glass business, I didn't even know they could do that. Because my old job, you can't have glass in a dried fruit packaging environment. Food production, no glass. So they had a set of LED lights like this, mains operated, and they took the lights in, took the glass off, and they got to reproduce in perspex for food standard. So I kept that in mind. Wasn't too expensive either, so good for my street lighting actually. If I get my urban, and if I want to put a flat face on it, I could just get the measurements of the old lens and they can cut me a perspex flat face for it. That'd be a good idea. They don't charge too much either. Anyway, everything's working good. And the little fan, the side fan on this side panel, it's getting a bit squeaky, the CPU core, the fan on the side panel here. Getting a little squeaky, so I'm going to have to pull that fan apart and leave up the bearing. Anyway. Not so bad now, it's nice and quiet, but sometimes it'll squeak up on me. Get squeaky. Anyway, that's enough for this for now. I'll upload these other videos and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.